Ever wonder how to unlock the potential of Alibaba.com, turning it into a goldmine? Today, unravel the secrets of making a handsome sum of $500 per day with Alibaba.com. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a strategic approach to leveraging one of the world's largest online marketplaces. First, understand what Alibaba.com is. It's a global trading platform where you can source products from manufacturers all around the world. Think of it as a bridge connecting you to countless factories and producers. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of making money with Alibaba.com. Step 1. Identify a niche product. It's all about finding something unique, something that grabs attention. Look for products with high demand but low competition. Use tools like Google Trends or Alibaba's own product categories to find the perfect fit. Step 2. Source the product. Alibaba.com provides a platform where you can negotiate directly with manufacturers. Remember, the key to a good negotiation is research. Know your product, know your market, and never rush. Step 3. Create a brand. A strong brand is the backbone of any successful business. It's not just about a catchy name or a sleek logo, it's about building an identity that resonates with your target audience. Next, step 4, sell the product. There are numerous platforms where you can sell, like Amazon, eBay, or even your own website. The trick is to understand the platform's algorithms and optimize your listings accordingly. And finally, step 5, provide excellent customer service. Remember, happy customers are repeat customers. Respond to inquiries promptly, resolve issues swiftly, and always aim to exceed expectations. Now bear in mind that these steps are not a one-time thing. Repeat them, refine them, and make them your own. It's a cycle that, when done right, will generate a steady income stream. So, what's stopping you from tapping into the potential of Alibaba.com? Remember, every journey begins with a single step. And in this case, that step could lead to a pathway of financial freedom. Start your Alibaba.com journey today. Transform your financial future and discover the thrill of running your own online business. It's time to take action and make your mark in the world of e-commerce. And remember, the only place where success comes before work is in the dictionary. So, roll up your sleeves and get started on your Alibaba.com journey today.